official SEIKO dealers in Thailand, and this is our newest addition to Zimbe collection. This is the Zimbe12, which has recently released around October 2019. So here is the newest sneak peek. So here is the newest, as I said, addition to the Zimbe family. So you see that the dials of the so as you can see, the dial is very green. Everything is very green. So they said that it was inspired by the phytoplankton. Sorry, pardon my English. And here I'm gonna bring you a little bit more close up. So here is a diver, 200 meters diver. The model name is SPB109J. So of total 1,200 pieces produced, limited edition from Thailand. This one's number is 1095. So here you have like a little bit of cyclops here. And also the dials. The bezel. Sorry, the bezel is pretty smooth. So when you turn, you don't really hear any sound. A very small click sound. Sorry, my shop is pretty busy at the moment. Yeah, just to give a close-up of this wonderful Zimbe members here. So I need to unlock it a little bit. Set the time. There's a major. Oh. And yeah, there's the dates, fonts. These. Screw that. Green color over here, and this is the classic. Nails. Here's the buckle. Instrument. Here is the case back. Limited edition and the serial number. So this watch has the caliber of 6R. So yeah, nothing much, just a very nice design for a very nice limited edition collection. Well, special for this model, the retail price started 44,900 baht. Rubber strap, diver strap as well. What's special about this model is actually what comes with it. This is the first time that SEIKO Thailand actually have a new freebies for limited edition buyers, which is this. What's in this box? Wow. Well, it's a coaster, of course. Actually, I don't want to spoil you, but I think everybody is already know. It's a coaster of over every Zimbe that ever produced. So in total, there's going to be a 13 coaster because the Zimbe 10 has 2 versions. So this one, I don't want to unpack it, but I'm going to show you the picture. Like here, you can see there's a very cute little coasters for you, for everybody who buys the Zimbe 12. So can I sell it? Can I give it separately? No, because we get the exact same number as the Zimbe 12 we got. So yeah, if you buy Zimbe 12 from us, we're gonna definitely attach this for you too. So currently 44,900 Thai baht for the opening price, retail price. So you can email us or send us a message on Facebook or Line if you have. And yeah, we can talk about the shipping and also the price over there. So yeah, please inquire us more details if you want more pictures or more numbers. Please do not hesitate to contact us. We are Excel Watch.